Upgrade bathrooms with style. Bathrooms are more than just functional spaces. They're personal retreats where buyers dream of unwinding after a long day. By creating a spa-like feel, you can make your bathrooms a standout feature in your home. Start by fixing anything that's broken, like leaky faucets or chipped tiles, and then look for opportunities to modernize. Lighting is an easy place to start. Swapping out outdated fixtures for sleek, energy-efficient ones can brighten the space and make it feel larger. Consider adding dimmers for that luxury hotel vibe. If you're working with a smaller bathroom, mirrors can work wonders to visually expand the space. A framed mirror above the vanity adds an elegant touch without breaking the bank. Replacing an old vanity can instantly elevate the room's aesthetic. Choose a design that offers both style and storage, which is a big plus for buyers. Simple touches like fresh grout, new hardware, and a new shower curtain can give your bathroom a polished, cohesive look. Finally, don't underestimate the power of staging. Soft towels, candles, and even a small plant can create an inviting atmosphere. Buyers want to feel pampered, and a beautifully updated bathroom helps them picture that indulgence. By paying attention to these details, you're turning your bathroom from an afterthought into a true selling point.